I am gonna go first.
Guys, wait up! I came in last. Guys, would you mind helping me?
No, we promised that the last will carry everything. Off we go. Bye.
Lonnie, you're doing some hard work. Do you need some help? What? Really? Nah, just kidding. Oh, you guys are so mean. Guys, I think I heard something over there.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go check it out. Huh? I think it's around here. Eh? Why is there a pit here? Look! There's a squirrel in the pit. Squirrel, are you all right?
Gani, what's the matter?
What's the matter? Huh? It's a squirrel. It's a beautiful pink squirrel. By the way, how did he get in there? Guys, what's going on? I want to see too. Come on, move. I can't see.
Lonnie, you are gonna bury the squirrel.
Sorry. We gotta rescue him. Lanny, I have a rope in my bag. Help me get it out. Okay. Yo, squirrel, grab this rope. Yo, hey,
Yo,
ho,
hey,
ho. Whoa, it finally came out. What a relief. I see. Got it. Gee, it looks like Gani could talk to the squirrel.
Yeah, the two sort of look alike.
Guys, the squirrel wants us to follow him. Let's go. Yeah, got it. Whoa, where am I?
It's a squirrel village.
There are a bunch of squirrels here.
There's a lot of food, too.
I know. Where did he get all that from?
This much food could last forever.
Ooh, look at that acorn. Huh. Shoot. Take this.
This is fun.
Guys, you shouldn't play around with your food. I think the squirrel is talking about what just happened with us. Stop tickling. Kids just love me too much. It's a squirrel that returned the favor. Huh? He can't do this to me. I helped out the most. I guess that's just my job. What? Really? You have something to show just for me? What is it? Whoa! It's a heart! That's so lovely. It looks like the squirrel is really grateful to Gani. I never had someone give me a gift, even on my birthday. I never expected a gift from a squirrel I met for the first time. Gani, we are sorry. Squirrel, we are now friends forever, okay? I am gonna protect you no matter what happens. Oh, I'm curious. What's on this side? This place looks just like a maze. Wow, the air is so fresh. There's too much fine dust in the city.
Bah, it sure is pretty, but it looks useless.
Rogi, they are a lot more handier than you. Huh? By the way, where is Tayo? You were playing with him just a moment ago.
Tayo? Well...
Ah! Help!
Huh? This is Tayo's voice. Tayo! What's up? Wait!
It's so sticky. Help me! Somebody! Is there anyone out there? No, not you guys. Tayo, what is going on? acorn jelly? He's not gonna be able to make it. Tayo, I think you're in big trouble. The squirrel told me that this is a jelly pit the squirrels have made with acorns. And once someone falls into it, no one's gonna be able to get out.
Tell me that. Rescue me now.
So why did you go out all by yourself?
Who's gonna be able to stop Tayo? Nya, 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 nya. Yo, heave, ho!
Yo,
Heave,
heave, ho!
ho! Lonnie, don't give up here.
I am already trying my best.
Yo, heave,
I'm
ho!
out of breath.
Yo, heave, ho!
I can't breathe. Gee, Tayo is unbelievably heavy. Here comes Lonnie with maximum power. Yeah! Ha! Huh? It's finally moving. Yeah! I got out. I am finally free.
I don't deserve this.
This is crazy. Anyway, it's such a relief that I got out.
What's all this? My whole body feels sticky.
Oh, I was told that as time goes by, acorn jelly becomes more and more sticky.
Oh, you should have told me that earlier.
Tayo, do you want some help? Ah. It's now on me, too.
Rogi, you look like you have poop on your nose.
What? Poop? You better take a look at yourself.
Yeah, Tayo is just like pure poop.
You guys are so mean.